Hiya guys, I'm Stu. Welcome to Petals on the Paving Slabs. In this video I'm going to show you how I prepare my Dicksonia Antarctica tree fern for overwinter. You'll need some straw, some chicken wire and some string. Cut yourself enough size chicken wire so that you can wrap it around the trunk of your tree fern with a good few inches gap either side. And then make whatever bends and folds you need to make so that you will have enough chicken wire for a tube shape which you can fit around the trunk of your tree fern. If you can get someone to help you lay out the chicken wire around your tree fern, it's probably easier than trying to struggle on your own like I was here. So you're not getting a really tight fit, you're not wrapping the trunk itself very tightly in the chicken wire. You want to leave a few inches gap all the way around the trunk because that's where we're going to put the straw to act as insulation. But before I start packing the chicken wire with the straw insulation, I'm just going to secure it with some bits of string so that it'll last through the winter when we get the windy, stormy weather and it won't be blown off. So now I'm ready to start adding straw around the trunk of the tree fern to act as insulation. Now I don't just put it all in one place first, I work my way around the trunk and then that way I'm not pushing up one side of the chicken wire where I've overpacked the opposite side, if that makes sense. So I'll work myself methodically around and then I'll put one handful deep in and then I'll go back round and start building up that layer so that I know the trunk of the tree fern, which is the bit that you want to protect from hard frost, that part will be well protected. Some people tie up the fronds, I don't. I've found that when we've done this in the past, it can make it a bit wet, the conditions in there, it'll hold the moisture in and it can rot off a little bit. So I leave my fronds out, exposed if you will. Now what this will do is, if we do get really hard frosts, they might go brown or black even and die off. But it's not the fronds that I'm doing this to protect, it's the trunk itself. And in the crown, where I'm packing the straw now, is going to be next year's fronds. That is where they will unfurl from next spring. So I'm making sure that crown right in the middle of the plant has a good few inches of straw insulation as well as all the way around the trunk. And there we are, all finished. Trunk protected, fronds in the crown protected. Next year I'm going to be able to enjoy my tree fern all over again. Can't wait. Thanks for watching guys.